Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use our new Terra Task Manager and how to assign action items and deadlines to other members of your team. As you already know, teachers and school leaders have an abundance of daily tasks and responsibilities, and sticky notes just aren't cutting it anymore. That's why we created a task manager designed specifically for educators, so that you and your team can stay productive and organized. So your task manager lives in the My HQ tab. To create a task, simply type in the task in the text box below. The paperclip icon is where you can add any kind of document or file. This is great if you need to review, send, or sign any type of paperwork, for example. Next, you're going to assign a deadline for your task. So this is going to be the day that the task needs to be completed by. Lastly, you need to assign the task to yourself or others, or both. If this is an action item just for you, you can just keep your name listed. So if you're a teacher, you can assign tasks to other teachers in your school. To do this, you can just start typing in the name of the teacher you'd like to assign to. If you're a coach or administrator, you have the ability to assign tasks to individuals, groups of teachers, or the entire staff. To send an action item to your entire team, type in all staff. And the same goes for your teacher groups. Once you're done, you can hit save, and then the plus sign to add it to your to-do list. When you add the tasks to your to-do list, it also is scheduled straight to your Terra calendar. This also applies to everyone you assign the task to. From here, you can click on the status to change it. You can click into the assignees to add or delete an assignee. You can edit the due date, and you can view or edit the attachment as well. So when you go into your Terra calendar, you should see your scheduled tasks at the very top by your lesson plans. If you click into the tasks, you can edit the status right here, and you can view any attachments that are listed as well. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to reach out to info@terrateachers.com.